got a ride, but you can't ride in it? How you got the drive, but you ain't driving it? Tune in, I can get you right in 5 minutes. Hit subscribe for these rides, I put my life in it. I used to keep it going if the outside was clean. Now I'm grown and I put away the childish things. You gon' have to do a lot more than wipe it clean. I could give you all the tools you gon' likely need. So tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg. Tune in, tune up, lock in. It's D Brooks, dawg. I'ma give you real life game by the book, dawg.
Alright, y'all, so we in the Regal, man, the blue Regal. You know what I mean? I don't know what we're gonna name it yet, but we in here, man. Alright guys, so right now we're on our way to go look at a 08 Denali. He wants the DOD turned off. I already told him that he gonna need to get the actual lifters taken out too. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, I already told him, you know, this ain't gonna stop you from having to get the lifters taken out. Dang, I need to get some gas in this boy. We on E. We are on E.
DJ Kid, this a
Y'all stay tuned. Man, we over here with the Denali today. Yeah, man. What's them 22s?
Yeah, some little 22s.
Them factory?
No, they're not factory.
Just got the
factory caps.
Yeah. It don't look bad at all.
No, I like it. I just, you know, I miss my truck.
Yeah, I bet the truck was already running good. I need some power to plug this in. Oh, we good. That's good. Alright y'all, so I actually didn't get to film the DOD stuff. My phone was acting up, but you know, we went ahead and deleted the DOD on the computer. Still could have a mechanical issue at any point in time, which I let him know that, hey, I'm only turning it off in HP tuners, but at any point in time mechanically it could still fail. So yeah. But anyways, we back at the shop, getting ready to go get some food. Might come back over here tonight, work on the Jeep. You know what I mean? Trying to make some stuff shake or whatever. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're on our way to the garage, gonna work on this Jeep real quick. I've actually been out of work a few days, man. I was sick, and I'm starting to feel a little bit better. Still got a pretty bad cough, but you know, I work outside and everything, so I was just taking a little bit more caution, just taking it easy. Enjoy the holidays with the family too, but yeah, I was messed up, man. But yeah, we gonna get on this Jeep, man. Y'all hang in there, stay tuned. We're on our way to the shop. All right, y'all, so we just getting back to the garage. Get the Focus, got my shoes in there. Get the flip-flops on. Man, these bumpers gotta go. Good Lord. What you think about the box Chevys? Zerge? The OBS joint. Okay. We got lights, camera, action. Cut y'all back on in a minute. Trying to get this Regal jumped real quick. Had to push it out. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can get it jumped up real quick. Let it run for a little bit. It's got some wiring issues for sure, so I think the fan relays was hooked up backwards and it was stuck constantly on or whatever, so we'll see if we can get it figured out. See for the crank real quick. Come on YouTube, let's go. It's a slow crank, man. Slow crank. Let me try something real quick. I got this other battery over here, but it's a side post. I mean, I can make it work, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. Got the cut wires and everything else. We just need a good jump, man. Let this thing run for a little bit. Put this bad boy on the actual. Right here. Terminal. We're gonna go ahead and jump on this Jeep real quick. Let's see what we got going on over here. Alright, I'm gonna pull this out a little bit further and I'm gonna go ahead and drop the tank. Alright, we've been waiting for a little bit, man. Let's see what happened. I watched a couple TikTok videos. Hopefully this motor start up, man. Ah, Lord. It would have started if I was cranking it and putting gas in it at the same time. No! I should have been pushing the gas at the same time. Damn, 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 damn. Ah! Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in the car, let the fuel pump prime, then I'm gonna pump it and crank it at the same time, alright? Let's see if we can get some juice like that. You know these carburetors, you gotta be damn near a magician. Running, that'd be good. That's what we gotta do, is keep it running now. Alright, I think it's warmed up enough to stay running. 15 volts. Which is good. That means the battery is charging. In the Regal, man, the blue Regal. You know what I mean? I don't know what we're gonna name it yet, but we in here, man. This car, you know. We gotta get it started. So it's okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Damn. Alright, so alright guys, so we are on our way to Pulp. Get some a smoothie, I guess, you know. I've never been there before. One of the homies, actually the guy I'm building the Jeep for, he was like, hey man, you want something from Pulp? I'm like, man, I ain't never actually been there. I said, I'll meet you up there. So I'm gonna try it out this morning. And then we're gonna go look at some parts for the Jeep or whatever today. So y'all stay tuned, man. Gonna get some work done, man. I gotta get some bolts for the grounds, then some wire connectors, just some little odds and ends, you know, so we can get things wrapped up. I'm trying to get them buttoned up. They got the CrossFit over here, and then there's the Pulp right here. Okay, okay, guys, that's Pulp right there. All right. So we're gonna go up in here, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, man, we about to get this this Pulp. I ain't never been here before, so what you think, man?
Dude, I love this place.
That's Jeep Man right there.
Jeep Man.
Jeep Man. Make sure y'all add him on YouTube, man. It's Jeep Man. Jeep Man on YouTube. Got the LS Swap Jeep. We're gonna get it done, man. We gotta get some bolts and stuff, some hardware today. We're gonna keep it rocking, man. All right, we here. Huh? Okay to vlog? They're gonna kick us out if it's not. Can we vlog? All right, cool. Now you feel comfortable.
Right. You just gotta ask.
You just gotta ask, man. So sometimes you just gotta ask, you know. But they will say no sometimes, so. I know it.
Can I get one large,
It's got them new, that GM fucking brake lines in it.
you said what?
You got them new brake lines in it?
It's got a bunch of stuff.
New brake lines. Oh shit. That's that 4080 shifting, ain't it?
4080, man.
Keeping up too, 6.0 and everything.
It's not a bad truck.
So if your Jeep drives just like this,
Yeah, the Jeep's gonna fly. It's gonna be like twice as fast as this.
it should be.
With that cam and everything.
Yeah, the cam is definitely gonna help wake it up. It's gonna be more high RPM, but
This truck's a torquey motherfucker. Yeah, that's neat. We're going to Harbor Freight, right?
yep.
Alright. I know we've never been in here yet.
Oh, sweet.
I really need to buy a Jag.
You should. They got some nice ones here. They got some nice Daytona ones. It was like, damn, this looks like something I would put in a storefront, not on my tow truck, you know what I mean? Yeah, you definitely need a jack though.
Seriously. Definitely.
All right, guys, we back to the garage. Get up in here real quick. Got some little trinkets.
Kevin said they're raising rent. Or something.
Yeah, they're trying to do some finagling. It does, man. It looks good, man.
Just because I think Jeeps are good.
It's tasteful. Tasteful. Let me show you. We got some stuff hooked up in here, man. So we got the harness pretty much ran now.
I just can't wait to shit on that guy who did me dirty.
Oh yeah, we good, man. I gotta hook these two wires up to the back of the cylinder head right here. These are grounds. You got one on each side. Matter of fact, let me see if the oh yeah. Oh cool. Yeah, of course, bro. I mean, I started talking about this car. Yeah. So basically, on the back of the ground, back of the head, you got these 2 bolts. I'm gonna put on each side to ground these, connect to cylinder head only right here.
Yeah.
I'll put them on there. And then that'll ground the engine. And then over on the hood of the Monte Carlo SS, oh shit. On the hood of the SS over here, we got, this is your main shit right here. This is what powers your whole computer and shit. This goes to your battery terminal, your positive. This goes to your negative. These I don't have to splice because the terminals you had already, this is your wideband. This is also your wideband O2 sensor right here. So one of the real reasons why people like these Terminators is it come with this. This is a wideband, it automatically comes with this. Plus, come with this 3.5-inch display so you can see all the readouts and everything. So yeah, man, this the real deal, man. Got the Terminator X on there. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I hate when I feel like shit. Oh yeah, so on your battery terminals, we'll just hook him up right up in here, those 2 wires we was talking about, on the positive and negative. We'll reuse these. I do need to get, I don't know where your harness is. I see this is new right here, but you're missing your coil pack harness. Like if you look over here, on this side, you gotta come across right here. Your coil packs, this is an old one right here. It's got the harness on it.
Right.
Now, what I was gonna do is I was gonna use one of my old ones. They're just kind of fucked up though, you know what I mean? Like, you gotta get this, this harness, which I can use or whatever off of this coil pack. But just to get you going, I gotta put that on there on the other side. If you look at it. You see what I'm saying? This is all new. You just bought this when you was, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it's missing this wire harness part. So I'm gonna take that harness off of here. I'm gonna put it on there so we can keep on rocking. Cause I gotta plug that in right there to the coil packs. Also, anybody that's running this Jeep Cherokee setup with the Outlaw mounts or whatever, this is the pulley you need right here. So I figured out how I'm gonna make it work. I haven't put it all the way on there yet, but it goes outward like this. And then once it goes on there, that's gonna clearance right here. This is where it's real tight. Shit. Fucking it up, I'm gonna have to edit the video. Over here, let me see that. It's real tight, but we'll be able to make it work, so. Yeah, man, it's coming together, man. Can you see it?
Yeah.
You can see it coming together? You see it? Now, what I want to ask you, I already asked you this before. What do you want to do with this?
What is that?
That's all your like underglows and shit. Like, I think you should have it re-ran.
Yeah, probably.
I mean, cause once
this is for the.
That's your old engine harness, but we got to keep some of that. We got to keep some of that because it's going to this fuse block. Which
So just like all this wires and stuff.
Yeah, whoever ran that just kind of bundled it there instead of shortening it. I mean, it worked. Before you wasn't showing off your engine, but the way you're gonna have to cut the hood and everything to make this work.
Right.
All right, guys. So this is where we're at right now. Got the coil packs all wired up. Harness for the most part is all wired up. This is all the factory XJ Jeep stuff right there. I am gonna take all this out. We're gonna clean that up. Right now, what I'm trying to figure out is how I'm gonna get 12 volts switched. I think what I'm going to do is tap into this automatic shutdown relay. It gets power when the ignition is turned on, and then on the other side of that, I'm gonna go ahead and tap in for my switched power. So I think I'm gonna do that, or I may bypass it completely and tap into its feed before the relay and just run everything before the automatic shutdown. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that yet, so that's what I'm gonna be researching tonight. I do gotta get new power steering lines. What else? We are gonna probably run some new fuel lines. I mean, I gotta run a return anyway, so might as well run a new feed. Might use half of it. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like underneath the car. Maybe may be able to tap into it and just use half of that old line. I don't know. We'll see. Might run a whole new one. But so far, I got most of the wires ran. You know, as far as the engine, I am going to get one of the intake temperature sensors, intake air temperature sensors from like a 96, like a 99 Grand Prix or something like that, and put it in here. Take this out, put it right there, and then that'll plug this in. That'll plug in that spot right there. So just, you know, working through it. Really want to make sure when we're done, the engine bay is cleaned up. Next thing is I need to get a battery so I can start, you know, probing some of these relays, seeing where all the power is coming and where it's going and stuff like that. The goal is to get this thing done by the end of the weekend. Not completely done, but get this thing to, you know, turn over under its own power. So I got to get a battery, a starter, a couple other little things. Obviously, we're not going to run it, but we do want to turn it over. So y'all stay tuned. We also have to get some transmission fluid, some gas, of course, antifreeze, all that stuff. But we got to get a radiator. But again, I just want to get it cranked and started this weekend. I'm gonna put the radiator and everything else back on here after the fact. Might even get another water pump. So y'all stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. Let me throw the hat on. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. It's been a process. You know, this Jeep was here, then it was gone, then it's back. Getting a lot of stuff done. Finishing up the last minute stuff on it, man. Got the Holley Terminator X. It's gonna be a beast. So y'all gotta lock in, tune up, tap in, all that. You know, make sure y'all check it out. And then make sure y'all go to flairmotorsports.com to get some of this merch. We're gonna be dropping a lot of videos. You know, we're gonna be dropping a lot of videos. I'm building, you know, G-bodies, box Chevys, F-bodies, all that. So make sure y'all rock with the campaign, man. You won't be disappointed. More videos coming soon. I'll see y'all next time.